Hey, I'm Tim. Today we're going to make a bench for our front porch. So stick around and I'll show you how I did it. We start off by cutting all of our material to length and to width. We're using 2x4s and 2x6s for this project. Next, we dry fit the base of our bench. Set our pieces up where we want them, so we make sure they have a good, strong fit before we go to assembly. I want to avoid seeing any joinery on this project, so we're going to be using pocket holes. And in spots where we can't use the pocket holes, we're going to fasten the pieces from the inside so we can't see them when you're looking at the project. I use 3 screws to secure each leg, 2 that you see here, and then 1 once I flip the project over. We set up the tabletop just like we did the bench. Dry fit all of our pieces, then secured them all together using pocket holes. We also secured the tabletop to the bench using pocket holes as you see here. To make up the tabletop and the bench top, we lined them together, glued them, and secured them using pocket holes. Next, we added several coats of white paint, as well as several coats of polyacrylic. I was using my Wagner sprayer. This is the second time I got to use it. I would recommend this tool for anybody who hates painting by hand. Now for the bench top and the tabletop, I flooded the area using some Winwax stain, put on a generous amount. I ended up using 2 coats, made sure to cover all the visible areas, top, sides, as well as the bottom. After letting it sit, you wipe off the excess amount with a clean rag. Once this was dry, I went back and put several coats of polyacrylic. I wanted to add some adjustable feet to this piece because my porch is not completely level. First thing I did was drill some holes and then took some threaded inserts and secured them in place. These ones I have here can be inserted pretty easy once you pre-drill a hole and using an Allen wrench, screw them into place. Next, I take a bolt with a nut, screw them into the insert, and I can adjust them however I see fit. To secure the bench top and the tabletop, I am using tabletop fasteners by Rockler. I just cut a groove into the bench, place them where I see fit, mark them, remove the bench, pre-drill holes, bring the bench back, and secure them into place. These will allow for expansion and contraction of the wood throughout the different seasons and don't have to worry about any splitting, bowing, or breaking of the wood. I do the same thing for the tabletop. Now for the final touch, place my logo so it'll be there forever, and we are complete. I hope you like the project. I hope it helps inspire you to build your own at home. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And just like always, thanks for watching, and hope to see you again next time.